Forgiveness of sexual exploitation, abuse and withholding. A special topic between yin and yang is sexual abuse, which unfortunately takes place on many levels and in very different intensities also in many relationships. It is not limited to one of the partners wanting to take more from the other partner due to their biological and astral energetic drive type, because in many relationships there is a perceived right to intimacy as long as nothing else is agreed upon. Since we live in a polar world, abuse also exists in a passive way. There it manifests as sexual disempowerment and withholding of intimacy. This can happen unconsciously, perhaps in retaliation for poor communication, ingrained patterns, or even to bounce off hurts felt by oneself or others. Women only want money, men only want sex. That's the cliché from which we can derive the life values of security, root chakra, and well-being, sacral chakra, to better understand and forgive ourselves. Control, invasion, deprivation, and exploitation, solar plexus chakra, happen even in the best families, sometimes also due to lack of money or money and possessions as a means of power and one's own body as payment. Why don't we converse through our heart chakra and decide and agree based on love, empathy and connection? Safety, well-being, joy and pleasure can be part of love if that is important to us. In my book Gaia's Awakening, 21 Life Values in 66 Daily Exercises, I describe how love becomes our inner lighthouse for a total of 21 life values based on the basic properties of our 7 main chakras. Let's stop the power games with each other. Let's communicate lovingly and honestly with our partner. Let's find a solution that works well for both, so that no one needs to feel exploited or disrespected. Let's not compare ourselves or our bodies with power and possessions, but let's connect with love. Let's give it to each other in every relationship. Let's talk with understanding and empathy for each other about our needs and our faults and shadow sides. Talking to each other does not mean that the partner must accept everything, but being taken note of and acknowledged is what our fears, worries, dependencies, feelings and needs want. And then we embrace and forgive each other. We can forgive ourselves for being human. Let us experience SEH with one of any energetic healing partners as a placeholder for a human of the other polarity, and forgive ourselves for our mutual abuse and exploitation. This is what the world needs now to heal. In a holographic universe, every loving embrace, every forgiveness, every letting go has an immediate impact on our collective consciousness. Will you join us in helping and healing?